Hey, today I wanted to make a video showcasing these grease fittings that I'm going to be using on my new Chinese mini skid steer. So this mini skid steer has several grease fittings around it. Many of the grease fittings are the traditional beveled grease zerks that you can get a grease gun right onto. However, some of the grease fittings are these flat needle zerks. So for zerks like these, it's nice to have a nozzle like this that you can push that ball down like that, and you're able to feed the grease right into it. Here, I'll show you. So this is my grease gun. We're gonna put this adapter into it. From there, you can take this, push it right down in there. And you can just apply that grease. Zero mess here. So really slick. And when you're done, just wipe it up. And I got a few more grease fittings just like that all across this unit. So if you're looking at some strange grease zerks, definitely check this product out. It's got a lot of different fittings for you. This big one here. You got these ones. These ones supposed to be really sharp needles because they do come with that safety thing. I even felt this one and I thought this one was pretty sharp. To not have a safety on it, I kind of wondered about that. You got the rubber tipped one. You got the straight tipped one. A nice little carrying case. And then you also have the one that I'm using currently. Hey, so I hope you found this video helpful. If you're interested in this product, I would definitely check it out.